Hello, my name is Jamie Calvert, and today we're going to talk about algebra tiles and how to use them in different situations when it comes to math. First, let me say something about algebra tiles. There are different sizes. This size is going to be x squared, represent x squared. This size represents x, and this is a single unit, so it represents 1. And there are also red algebra tiles, and like this would be positive, and the red ones, which mine look pink but they're supposed to be red, represent negative numbers. So if you have one positive and one negative, then it equals 0. It's like a positive plus a negative, so they'll just equal 0 when you combine one of each. Okay, so let's start with how to factor numbers. We're going to use the example of 8, and I already have laid out 8 units. And the way you factor any number is you take that amount of units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're going to try to put it in many different ways as you can where it is a rectangle. And that's going to give you your factor. So let's try to make rectangles. Okay, this is a rectangle, so we're going to have 2 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So that's going to be 4 times 2. And if you was to make that this way, it's going to be 2 times 4. And let's see if we can make any other rectangles. Okay, so this would be a long rectangle, and it's 1 row and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 column. So 1 times 8, and once again, if you wanted to, or you made it this way, then it would be 8 times 1, because you have 8 rows, 1 column. And those are how you factor an integer using algebra tiles.